Amifullest, let's do an unboxing. So I got a new packet from AliExpress. So I got a phone case. Actually, I know what is in here. I have this phone case that I purchased from AliExpress, and this is really, when I tell you this phone case is strong, it's really strong. But I don't really like this color. I got this color, I like it, but I prefer black. So I ordered a new one, and this packet came really late, actually, because you know on AliExpress you have to order certain amount and then you get fast shipping. But this particular one, I wasn't in a hurry, so I was like, you know what, let me just order it, and whenever it comes. So yeah, finally it just came today, and I ordered black because you guys know black is my favorite color. I love this color. It's very beautiful, and it's very strong phone case. So I decided to order the same similar phone case, but then in black. So let's do the unboxing. It came in just normal AliExpress packaging, just like this one. So let me just open it and see what it looks like. Wow, and it's well packaged. You know, the packaging is really good. So this is what the phone case. I ordered two different types, black, because you guys know I love black. So there are two different, but they are also the same, very protective and very strong case. So let's open this one. One thing about this phone case, do you know how many times my phone has fell down to the ground? And I also ordered this really nice protector. Let me just show you my old phone. This is my old phone. This is iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is my old phone, and I have the same protector on it. And this is how the protector look when you put it on the phone. Let me just show you with this phone how it looks. So you have this plastic, but this thing is the strongest part. So you have this plastic and you have this one. You open it like somehow like this. My nails, don't want to break my phone. So you got to be very careful that you don't break any of the, it's secure. When you pull the thing, it stays secure. Very good. My nails has overgrown, so I really need to go, and don't want to break my phone. The thing don't even want to come out, because when it's, I can't really get it out. When it's thick, but you guys, there are two different things, and it clicks. When it clicks, it's really hard to take out. And okay, like this. So you see, like this. So this is what it looks like. So this part is really strong, and these two together clicks like this, and then you put your phone, and then you go in with this backpack, and it's really strong. My phone has fallen down so many times, as you guys can see. I have also this protector I got from AliExpress as well, this glass protector. It was like €3 for at €3 for this one, and it's just like the one you get from the MediaMarkt if you go to the MediaMarkt to fix screen protector. But it's very good. So this phone has fallen down so many times, and the only thing that crack is the glass here and here, but the phone itself, this is very new. And I also have this protector I use for the camera area. So because my kids use this phone a lot, this is like my home phone. The other phone I have is the iPhone 14 Pro Max. That's it's like more of my work phone. That's the one I'm filming with. This is my personal phone. So my kids use this a lot when, for example, we are out and they want to look something, or we are taking the train, they want to look game or play, like all these kids game, Candy Crush stuff are in my phone. So they use it. So I really liked it, and that's the reason why I decided to, like, you know what, I picked different versions of the color because I just wanted to try different colors. So this is what this one look like for this particular phone, because it's not a phone that I use that much, so I really do not mind the phone being like this. having this type of color, but for this one, my work phone is something I use a lot, and I'm always on my phone editing or making pictures or creating little contents. So I really want something that I like, a color that I feel comfortable in, that I like. So this is the black one. So it's just the same one with the pink and lavender color. My nails, when your nails are overgrown, it's a little bit difficult, so I really need to go and fix my nails. Today I was supposed to do it, but I'm like, you know what, I have so much content that I want to work on. Instead of spending that 1 hour and go and do nails, let me just use it to create my content and do something productive with my life. I can always do my nails later. So this is what it looks like, and I really like it. This is very strong. This is very, when I said to you, very strong, it's a really nice phone case. And also one thing I love about this, it has this thing when you're, I can't get it out now because of my nails, but when you are watching a movie or something, you can put your phone like this or like this. That's one thing I love about this one. This one is my first time getting this. It's just the same, but it's different. I think it's just the same. Well, this one is different. This one is different. This one is just one, you just put your phone. So this one doesn't come with, like the way this one is, comes with different parts. So this one is just one part and you just put your phone in. And this one also comes with this. So if you're watching something on your phone, you can easily put your phone like this and watch whatever you're watching. So this one also feels really strong and secure. I really like. I just wanted to try something, a different one, so that's why I'm like, let me pick this one. This one feels really good, and this one is nice. What is it? Is it light? I don't know what is this one. I don't know what's the use of this one at the back, but this is what this is what it looks like. It's really nice. I really like it. As long as it's black, for me, I'm perfect. So this one that I got, this is what it looks like. So this is like the instructions on how to use the phone. I really like it. So now I'm just going to use this one because I really love this one more. This one I'm just keeping it for backup, but just for backup, you know, in case maybe this one is broken, I can switch to this one. And I'm not going to get rid of this. I'm going to keep this one as well because I don't know for no reason, maybe I might end up change my phone, and I'll give this one to my son, and maybe he doesn't like black, he likes different colors, so we never can tell. So I'm going to switch. I'm going to fix this one on the phone, and I'm going to switch with the camera. I'm going to film with my other phone, and whilst I show you all how I fix this on my phone. So this is my iPhone. This is my iPhone 14 Pro Max. So this is what it looks like. So this one does not have any protection on the camera area. I have, but I just don't feel like putting it. Laziness, let me say. So this is what it looks like. It's black. You guys know I like black, so I just fix it like this, and it's very easy with this. I love this. I love this protector. I really love it. You just click. If I'm doing it correctly, it's supposed to click. Yeah, it's the first time. So yeah, you gotta make sure everywhere is clicked. Okay, this one, I don't think I get this right. This is supposed to be like this. Is supposed to be like this. Okay, let's try and get this one to click. Yeah, now it clicks. When you hear everything clicks, then it's secure. So it's like this. So everything clicks. Now you go in with this one. Just fix everything. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I feel like this looks much more better because it's black. It looks much more better. But this is what the phone is looking like. I love it. It's black, it's sleek. I feel like this is much more better than this color. This color is not a bad, but because the phone is black, I just feel like black looks much more better, and black looks much more elegant. You know, it's quite a huge phone, the 12 Pro Max. It's quite huge, but I do not mind. I like this. So this is it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box. If you guys are interested in the link, I will leave it for you guys in the description box. I love it. So yeah, this is it. I'm gonna keep the other one as a backup. I'm gonna keep this phone case. You never can tell. Maybe I love switching phone cases. I love black mostly. So for me, I feel like I'm going to stick with this one. This phone, this protector is very, very strong. When I say very strong, it is very, very, very strong. Honestly speaking, it's very, very strong. I like it. I just love how everything just looks. So this will be unboxing. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box. Amifullest. Peace out. Bye.